Zhengzhou PZ Laser Slim Technology Company Limited was founded in 2010 and is located in Zhengzhou City. We have a plant area of more than 13,521. PZ Laser has abundant financial resources, and we offer comprehensive services, including marketing services, after-sales services, customization services, etc. As a professional medical beauty laser supplier, we have excellent teams who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection, and company running. With nearly 20 series of products, PZ Laser caters to a wide range of needs, offering exceptional technology such as Cryolipolysis, UISIC laser, RF, Lipo lasers, focused ultrasound, electromagnetic, and many others. To supply satisfactory products and services, we have built a modern quality management system, which is in strict accordance with international standards. Besides, because of large overseas markets, most of our products have got CE, ISO 13485, RoHS, etc. international certificates. Our commitment to excellence is reflected in our production qualifications and certifications. We have more than 2,000 distributors around the world. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products. PZ Laser embarks on a journey of transformative possibilities in the realm of medical beauty lasers. Experience cutting-edge technology, unparalleled quality, and a partner you can trust.